Hello everyone, welcome to Case Cafe, and this is Kiran here. I'm sure you are keeping yourself very safe in these times. Yes, times are difficult, but here I am to really cheer you up and buck you up. And when I connect to you, of course, I'm also motivated. So, welcome to Case Cafe, your happiness life coach. Kiran here. It's been a while, since I last uploaded my video. So today I just felt like, connecting on a very beautiful topic and in which I truly believe completely. So, one question for you. How much do you love yourself? Yes, a thought provoking question. How much do you love yourself? So, folks, yes, this video is all about loving yourself and why is it so important to love yourself. So, firstly, what comes to your mind when you say love yourself? Uh, it's about being with your own self, uh, really liking you yourself, what you are. When you look into the mirror and what image you see, you really fall for that image. So that kind of loving yourself. So why is it important to love yourself? Firstly, as women or even men, there is no demarcation. It is very much important for both men and women to love themselves. So, until and unless you love yourself, you will not be able to really spread out that love. So, for example, if there is a flower and it does not have any fragrance, so how do you think that it's really going to spread its fragrance all around? So, it's just that uh, immense love for yourself. So once we start loving yourself, when we start loving ourselves, and when we really feel good about our own self, so feeling good about in your own skin, right? Are you trying to compare yourself to someone else? Do you really need to compare yourself? No, I don't think so, not at all. And remember, every time I tell you that each one of us are very unique individuals, and we all have qualities which maybe our friends don't have, and they have certain qualities which maybe we don't have. So each one is unique individual human being. So why is it important to really appreciate yourself? So once you start appreciating and loving yourself, you will firstly become confident. Your self-esteem will grow in abundance. Once your self-esteem grows, you will see that you are really moving around confidently at your workplace, and you feel good about yourself, you feel confident of who you are. Do you really have to copy someone? No, not really. You have to have your own individual style, your own dressing style, your own way of wearing something, your own way of leading your lives, right? So each one of us having that individuality and really feeling good about it, not really feeling maybe I'm not good, or maybe I need to do something which my friend is doing, or I need to wear something which somebody else is wearing, even if it doesn't suit me. So that would really lower your self-esteem, because you are not comfortable in what you are trying to project, because that's not real you. So who's that real you? That is very important, that you reflect outside, that who am I? So this is my style, and this is what I love about myself. So this is just an example. The way we dress, the way we carry ourselves, feeling very good about ourselves, and whatever we do, especially as women, as young girls, we really have to be very, very 100% sure about it, that whatever I am doing, that's the best thing to do. So, friends, having that confidence, having that self esteem, having that surety about yourself is very much important in today's time to progress, whether it's in your workplace, to progress as an individual in your societies, to progress as an individual, and just to confidently move out in society. So I don't really mean to say having that ego. There is a very thin line between ego and being confident. So being confident and doing what you do very well, and being very sure about it. So all these things are very much important. So this all originates, this all comes when you really love yourself. So once you love yourself, you are going to really love the environment. You are going to you will find that positivity. When you find that positivity, there is no room for any negativity, because your mindset is very, very positive. And with that, when you perceive, when you look at the world around you, when you look at the society around you, everything is good. So you are not into that finding faults in everything. Of course, yeah, there are pluses and minuses everywhere, and one needs to move around with that. One needs to flow with the flow, whatever it is, but at the same time being very sure of what you are. Now when I say that, I don't mean that being sure means that whatever you are saying is absolutely right, but yes, you have your opinion, and you know that your opinion matters, because that is coming from you, maybe coming from your experience, maybe coming from what you have read, maybe coming from your upbringing in your family. So all these qualities, when you all put together, that forms a beautiful you, a very confident you, and that is how you become that special person, that unique individual. So my dear friends, self-love, there is nothing wrong in it. I love myself, I love what I do, and I know that what I do is good for me. I mean, I really enjoy it. So whatever is giving you happiness, that's you. Whatever is making you feel comfortable, that's for you. Whatever dress you wear, you feel good about it, that's for you. When you look into the mirror, you like what you see, that's where you said, yes, I love myself. So when you really love yourself, you will see that your environment is going to be filled with love and joy. So it's like reciprocal. You are loving yourself, and you give love around yourself, and then in return, everybody is going to love you, like you, as a friend, as a mother, as a sister, as a special friend. So whatever role you are into, you will see that you are really expanding. You will see that your life is full of positivity. There is no room for negativity, because here it's full of love. Your heart is full of love, and you are loving yourself. So my dear friends, keep that in mind. It's very important, because we see that there people go under depression, people go under inferiority complex, which really pulls one down. It's that self-esteem which people are losing, not really having confidence in themselves. So it's kind of taking away so much from someone's life. So to build that up, where do we start? It is just by making an effort to appreciate yourself and love yourself. So coming out, so if you see anyone around you who's really feeling low about themselves, not really feeling confident about themselves, it is the time to handhold that person and instill that confidence and instill that self love in that friend of yours, in that neighbor of yours, even a youngster as a teenager. People are too much under pressure. There is peer pressure, there is pressure to look good always, there is pressure to really perform well at office, there is pressure to be a good homemaker. Within the friend circle, there's pressure to be just there, good at everything. So we just don't have to get into all that. Just be what you are. Be yourself and say every day that I am the best version of myself and I really love myself. So keep affirming, affirmations do work. Affirming if you're really feeling low, just move out or just dress up and just feel good. Take some pictures and look at yourself. Oh wow, this is the best version of me. So guys, Kiran from Case Cafe has to just bring you this, that this was in my mind that I must tell you all this, that hey, start loving yourself, and once you love yourself, you will see that you start loving the world around you. There is no room for anything negative. So I will see you again very soon with my next video. I hope you are liking all my videos till now, and I thank you so much with all the love and abundance to you, abundance of happiness to you, abundance of joy to you. Again, I say times are difficult, but never mind, this shall also pass. That's the positive way of thinking. This is just a phase and this shall also pass, and we will come absolutely victorious from this time. So start loving yourself today. Stand in front of the mirror and say, hey, I like this one, and that's me. I love myself. Self-love, love the world. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye and thank you. Please do connect on www.lifecoachcasecafe.com. That's my website, and do connect on WhatsApp, on my Facebook page, Case Cafe Life Coach. That's Kiran for you. I love you and take care. Bye-bye.